Beta Control is a global leader in manufacturing of commercial building control systems. So this paragraph is all about its products and business. A new CEO has come and is anxious about declining price of Beta Control in the last 2 years. She identified that the business has grown through acquisition and senior management have focused on making corporate deals but not on making control systems. Interesting, no? Usually this happens that when company starts growing a bit, they start making more acquisition rather than creating more polished content. She announced that the BC's focus must be on optimization and upgradation of its value generation rather than just selling bigger through acquisitions. Assuming yourself as a performance management expert of BC, the CEO has asked you to aid her in her improvement program. Firstly, she wants your views on the use of EVA as the key performance metric at BC. So she wants you to help her to use EVA as performance metric. Okay, she wants to see whether we are actually creating wealth or not, or we are just doing deals and deals to acquire some companies. See, in real world, when you will see that when companies have some cash, they immediately start acquiring other companies in order to create inorganic growth. But the real growth will always lie in creating quality products, not by quality acquisitions. Anyway, she wants us to use EVA as performance metric. You are given current EVA computation, but there is some suspicion about whether the assistant who has done this work is sufficiently well trained about this method. So she requires you to examine his accuracy and the assumptions forming part of the calculation. So write a report to the CEO to evaluate the accuracy of the EVA calculation and assumption. So already EVA calculation has been done. You have to write a report to explain whether things are correct or not. So NOPAT is already calculated. Year ended 31st March 19. Operating profit, this means EBIT. Add non-cash expense, it's okay. Marketing expenditure capitalized, non-cash expenses has been capitalized. See, when you are adding this to profit, so it will be also added back to capital employed. Which capital employed? Closing capital employed. If say last year's profit statement would have been given, then last year's addition is added back to opening capital employed. Then less tax is there, then lost tax relief on interest, which is tax savings on interest. We generally subtract this two together, so this is correct. You should add tax relief on interest with tax. Okay, although tax is an outflow, tax relief is on interest is an inflow, but still we add both. The logic of the same I have already discussed with you in previous session. So this way he has calculated NOPAT. Nothing seems abnormal as of now. Then capital employed from the statement of financial position. So 31st March 19 capital employed has been given here, and we are also calculating NOPAT for 31st March 19. So here something wrong has been done by the assistant. He has taken the closing capital employed and he has added marketing expenditure which he has capitalized. So this has been added here. Okay, result is adjusted capital employed. Okay, but I think this should be opening, so there must be some error over here. Then WACC half into 15%, half into 7.8% is all right. Then NOPAT, this figure 860.64. WACC into capital employed is to be taken, so WACC is 11.4, capital employed, this figure has been taken. So they have taken closing capital employed here, which is an obvious mistake. So now assumptions and notes are given. Debt equity is 1:1. So that's how this is half and half. So these two are correct. Second is cost of equity is 15%. All right, perfect. Then cost of debt, pre-tax. Remember, we always take post-tax. So here there is another mistake. It should be post-tax. It should be post-tax. Here there is another mistake. It should be post-tax. Tax rate is 30%. All right. Interest charge in the period was 163.2 lakhs. So interest 163.2. If you take in 163.2 ka 30%, if you take 30% of 163.2, see, are you getting the same amount of tax relief on interest? 48.96. 48.96. Okay. In the current fiscal year, BC spent 80 lakhs in training and development by leveraging the latest digital technologies, including virtual classrooms, to deliver highly relevant training to staff at the point of need. So 80 lakh was spent in training and development by using virtual classrooms. All right. So for this, nothing has been done here. You see, that means we have to add it back. So that mistake is there. For interest charge, nothing has to be done. We just verified. Next, marketing expenditure has been 46.2 lakh each year for the last 2 years to build a long-term brand. So marketing has been added back. That is correct here. But the new thing here is the last 2 years. This is important. This means that it will also affect previous year's capital employed. It will also affect the previous year's capital employed. Next, the total R&D spending was 20 lakh during this year for in-depth study of TCP/IP protocols, and TCP/IP based products have not been launched yet. So this is a future expenditure. So this also should be added back, which has not been done. Then BC has paid tax of 260 lakh, while the tax charge as per account was 269.6. So here they have taken 269.6. So this is mistake here. It should be tax paid, not the tax as per accounts. Okay. So this needs to be corrected. Capital employed during the period from the statement of financial position, opening is given, closing is given. So as you can see, they have worked with closing, but you should have taken opening capital employed. So this is to be taken. So now let's correct this EVA calculation. Okay, let us find the correct figure. Let us find the correct solution. Note 1 will be no pact. So let's start with the given operating profit, which is EBIT. Given operating profit is 1102.8. Then let's add non-cash expense. 30.2. Marketing expenditure 46.2. R&D expenditure 20. training and development 80, less tax paid, not the tax as per accounts. If you see, it was 260. We are trying to correct the workings here. So 260. All right. Now less tax relief on interest. So that figure is correct. Tax relief on interest is same figure, 48.96. That's all. You see what is your NOPAT. This is 970.24. NOPAT is 970.24. Next, note to KO. KO has to be based on post-tax KD. So half into 15% plus half into here 7.8% is pre-tax. 7.8% is pre-tax. So we have to make it post-tax. 7.8% into 1 minus 0.3. Result is 10.23%. Note 3 is opening capital employed. Opening capital employed is 4564 as per financial statements 4564, but you need to adjust it with marketing expenditure capitalized of last year. This is 46.2. $4610.2. $4610.2. Okay. So something new was this one. We generally tend to miss this capitalization for last year. This last 2 years was an impactful message over here. So using this we can find EVA 970.24 minus 10.23% of 4610.2. 498.62. So this is the correct EVA. Now point is you have to prepare a report. So when you are preparing a report, how will it be? 2. What will you write? 2 CEO, like a letter. Beta control. From. You can write your name. You can write management accountant. Question is saying that you can assume yourself as a performance management expert of BC. So you can write from performance management expert. Write the date. Write today's date. Then write subject. Subject is evaluation of accuracy of EVA. For the year ended 31st March 2019. All right. Now you can write few lines about EVA. EVA is a performance measure that focuses on wealth created by a company for its shareholders. For its shareholders. All right. So I am not copying the solution that is given by ICI. I am trying to give you the most accurate, logical and short answer. There are some errors in the calculation of EVA submitted by the executive. These are, so what are the errors? Number 1, training and development expenses have not been capitalized. Training and development expenses have not been capitalized. Research and development expenses for the product not yet launched has not been capitalized. Number 3, instead of accounting provision for tax, tax paid should be considered. Tax paid should have been considered. Number 4, WACC should be computed. WACC should be computed based on WACC should be computed based on post-tax KD instead of pre-tax KD. Number 5, the capital employed should have been the opening capital employed. Should have been the opening capital employed. All right. After rectifying the above, the revised EVA is rupees 498.62 lakhs. You can write refer annexure. When you are writing report, don't say refer workings. Use refer annexure. A positive EPA is indicating that the company Beta Control is creating wealth for its shareholders. So there is no need of worry, okay? Remember, the new CEO was worried that they are not focusing on control devices, rather they are focusing on corporate deals. Okay, so here Beta Control is creating wealth for its shareholders. Alright, so you don't need to sign off thanks, regards, all those formalities are not required. Just when you're writing report, try to mention these 3 initial things and then keep writing. A report should have a conclusion, must have a conclusion. So this is the conclusion of the report. Alright, so written practice done. You should write it by your own. Initially you are writing with me, it's fine, but you have to develop habit of writing by your own. In your recommended solution, if you will see, there is some extra as usual. They are talking too much about what is EVA, not required, and then they are talking about errors, and they are also highlighting what is correct. So I have not given what is correct, I have just shown what are the errors. So non-cash expenses have been correctly added, addition of marketing expenditure is also correct. So training and development should be capitalized, R&D should be treated as marketing expenditure for long period, tax paid should be adjusted with lost tax, WACC is incorrect because post-tax cost of debt has not been considered, and then capital employed should be based on beginning numbers. and then at the end the correct EV has been shown, and it shows that positive position is there, which is adding to shareholders wealth. So workings has to be there. You can do workings within the report, or you can also show workings before or after the report, whatever way. Okay.